Andrea from the Andrea Trini show. Today in my kitchen, I'm going to make a special Trinidad meal. You know, like every home in Trinidad, at some time during the course of the week, they prepare this nice meal. All right, I'm going to do some fried fish, okay? This fish is a fish that they caught from Peru, and it's similar to the fried dry that we use back home. Okay, so let's call it fried dry. All right, with that fried dry, I'm going to be eating some bodi, you know, some bodi, right? I did on this with some carrots and some coconut milk. Real tasty food. And I have here some dal. Look at that, dal. This is split peas, melted down and chunky with garlic and stuff. Oh God, and well seasoned. So this is dal. And here I have some steamed rice. Some steamed rice. And I'm going to fry this fish and show you how we just fry fish in Trinidad. Alright? So the first thing I do is to wash this fish with some lemon. You get some lemon and you wash the fish. Wash it in cold water, okay? Make sure the water cold and nice. Squeeze the lemon. Take all that freshness from the fish. Okay? Alright, so this is, let me see how much fish it have here. 1, 2, 3. Fish has been washed. Make sure you take out all the water as much as you can. So the next step is seasoning that fish. Alright? So what I have is some salt. I have like about 25 fish in here. Sprinkle a little salt. Then you want to put some black pepper. Those are the main seasoning for fish. If you don't have any other seasoning, put salt and black pepper. Right? And now, this is some cayenne pepper, but I'm not going to put that in there. Alright, this is green seasoning, Matouk's green seasoning. Matouk's green seasoning, okay? Put a little green seasoning in it. Because I like my fish to be seasoned real nice. And some grated onion. Grated onion, put a little grated onion in that. And you toss this up a little bit, oh, it smells so good already. In that green seasoning, it have shadow benny, peppers, everything you can find in that green seasoning. Or if you want, you can let this marinate for a little hour or two. Or if you want, like me, I want to eat some dinner right now. So I'm going to fry it down in a little bit. Now listen what's going on. This is plain flour. This is plain flour. To the plain flour, what I'm going to add is the love of my kitchen, Old Bay seasoning. I love my Old Bay seasoning. You sprinkle a little bit of Old Bay. Right? And you put some additional black pepper. And you put some oregano. Oregano leaves. Sprinkle that also. Okay, oregano leaves. And some garlic powder. Right, you see that garlic powder? Nice smelling. Oh gosh, this is really good. So you put some garlic powder in this. And that's all you need. And if you want it a little spicy, you could throw in a little cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, right? And you toss it around. You give it a little toss. You toss it around, combine everything, let all the seasoning get infused into the flour. Right? Because this is what you're going to use to fry the fish. Alright? The frying pan, you turn on the frying pan, you have it medium to high, okay? And you put some oil in the frying pan. Put some oil, and in the meantime, while that oil is heating up, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this little fried fish, this fish in fact, this fried dry, and you coat it in the flour mixture with your hand. Just keep coating it. You're coating it. Fish has all been coated in that flour. All that infused flavor is in this fish right now. All those seasonings and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry these fish. Okay, so what you do, you gently rest it down in this oil. You don't want it to splatter, okay? Take your time and rest it down in the oil. and let it fry away. You have to fry this fish until it's golden brown. You see, like this here? This is what you call a golden brown fish. This is fried dry. And you put it, rest it on some paper towel. Let all the oil absorb in that paper towel. So you're trying to take out the fish right now. You don't want to take it out when it's not golden brown. You're taking it out when it's well cooked. And this is a well cooked fish, okay? Kind of difficult. And you see, you hear that popping song? Let me tell you where that popping song coming from. Oil and water, as I tell my granddaughter who doing this video. Don't mix. So make sure the fish is well coated in the flour, and you don't have to set of water on it, because it will pop up and it will burn you. Alright? Okay, so this is the end product of my fried dry. It's crispy. Right? Look at the inside, well cooked. Right? You see that smoke coming out from there? And I'm going to take a bite. This is really good. So, subscribe to my beautiful channel, 2020. Andrea's Trini Show. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified of any new videos that I've put up. I'm going to be coming with loads of local food. Alright, so I want you to enjoy this. I want you to subscribe and hit and like. And also, leave a nice comment in the comment box. So this is your girl Andrea signing off. See you again with another video. Bye.